my book from the author, and he's here right now.
Well, Juan, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you as well.
I'm happy that you got a copy of my book.
I love it.
I want to read a poem for you.
Please do.
Okay. So if you have not got the book before, Don't Cry by Kirkland. It's a really good book. It's available on Amazon. Mama, don't cry. I'm going to make this work. Never stop praying for us, even when experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts, but you don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen to this, I will not quit, even if I have to keep crawling the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry, you try to make things work. You're my first hero, you motivate me to serve. Son about the ball thinking I failed, Dada, I value your work. You inspire me immensely, Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry, they never got it at first. They were so excited seeing Daddy's first merge. It's not like my sales boosting online, honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many depended on me, I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm gonna break this generational curse. Don't cry. For our children to know real big. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. The power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes, still elevate, stay awake, fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business when I discuss, when I mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders, all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face when I live trace. I will never disgrace my people for position or rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. How you like them so far? We have a final one, it's called a Holiday Inn.
Nice.
Kind of romantic type of vibe. I spent a few days of my holiday in the Holiday Inn while I was all the way in her. We took one shower together. She gripped me tight, precisely, nicely. I whispered soft words in her ear, telling her how much I care. She called me God, but no, I was more like Moses as I stretched forth my rod. Damn, she was sexy, her body impressed me. Beautiful like the ocean's wave. I was gliding like I was on a jet ski. Round two, we exited the bathroom to the bed. She opened and spread, uttered these words and said, honey, I want you to kick me with your big Timberland boots, knock my out till it's dead. I was like, baby, calm down, can't I be gentle instead? But before me could have done chat, it was like Mortal Kombat. She said, come here, I'm gonna finish you, Craig. On top of me, bouncing blissfully like a happy kangaroo. My girl, that you win, that's why I honor you. You know the Twitter and IG, but let me tell her precisely because you know TikTok, that's why I follow you.
Ooh. Woo! Okay.
Have a blessed day. Take care of yourself.